Hey everyone, looking to simplify meal prep and still get great results? I've rounded up 25 trending Amazon kitchen gadgets that earn their spot on your counter. We'll cover smart time savers, cleanup helpers, and budget-friendly upgrades, each with a product video so you can see them in action. Stick around to find the tools that make dinner faster, tastier, and a lot less stressful. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 25. Vitamix Explorian E310 Blender. The Vitamix E310 delivers cafe-smooth smoothies, sauces, soups, and nut butters with serious power and variable speed control. Pulse to chop or go high for creamy blends. Friction heat can even bring pureed soups to serving temperature. The 48-ounce container is great for daily use without hogging space, and self-cleaning takes seconds with warm water and a drop of soap. If you value consistency and longevity, this blender outperforms budget models and replaces multiple prep steps. Number 24. Anova Precision Cooker. Nano 3. Set your temp, clip the Nano to a pot, and sous vide steaks, salmon, eggs, and veggies to edge perfection. The Anova Nano 3 circulates water precisely for consistent doneness with minimal effort. Great for meal prep and entertaining. Start a cook, walk away, and finish with a quick sear for restaurant-quality results. It's compact, quiet, and pairs well with freezer batching. If you're tired of overcooked proteins, this is the most reliable upgrade you can make. Number 23. KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer. The KitchenAid Artisan is a classic for a reason. A powerful motor and 10 speeds handle cookies, bread dough, frostings, and cake batters with consistent bowl-to-beater coverage. The tilt-head design makes adding ingredients easy, and the 5-quart bowl is a sweet spot for families. With optional attachments, it transforms into a pasta maker, food grinder, or spiralizer. If you bake even semi-regularly, this workhorse saves time, improves texture, and turns weekend projects into reliable wins. Number 22. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Boiled, poached, or omelets. This compact cooker dials in eggs with simple measuring and an auto shutoff that prevents overcooking. Mornings get faster and more predictable, whether you're prepping snacks for the week or fueling kids before school. Accessories keep things tidy, and cleanup is quick. If your stovetop egg routine is hit or miss, this little dome delivers repeatable results in minutes. It's inexpensive, space-saving, and pays for itself by keeping breakfasts at home and on schedule. Number 21. Fullstar, the original Pro Vegetable Chopper. Fullstar's chopper turns onions, peppers, and potatoes into uniform cubes fast, catching everything in a built-in container to reduce mess. Swappable blades handle fine or larger dice, and safety features protect fingers better than freestyling with a chef's knife. It's a huge help for meal prep, salsa nights, and bulk chopping without tears. Cleanup is straightforward, and the footprint is small enough for daily use. If you want pro-looking prep without extra time, this tool delivers. Number 20. OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. If you want crisper greens in minutes, this OXO spinner is a no-brainer. The one-handed pump dries lettuce, herbs, and berries fast, while the brake button stops the basket instantly so you can toss and serve. The clear bowl doubles as a salad bowl, and the non-slip base keeps it steady during a vigorous spin. It's the easiest way to make dressings cling, avoid soggy lunches, and batch prep for the week, saving time and boosting flavor every time. Number 19. Kitchen Mama One-Touch Electric Can Opener. Tap once, and this opener circles the can for you. No twisting, no squeezing, and no sharp edges. It's perfect if you want a safer, hands-free tool for soups, beans, tomatoes, and more, especially for seniors or anyone with limited grip strength. Battery-powered and compact, it stores easily and leaves lids smooth so you can recycle without worry. It's a small upgrade that pays off daily in convenience, safety, and speed at mealtime. Number 18. Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage Containers. These crystal clear, leak-proof containers make meal prep look and feel organized. The stain-resistant Triton resists tomato sauces. Lid latches seal tightly for on-the-go lunches, and the built-in vents mean you can microwave splatter-free with the lid on. They stack neatly to maximize fridge space and keep produce fresher longer. If you're batch cooking, portioning snacks, or packing leftovers, this set cuts waste, saves time, and turns your fridge into a tidy, ready-to-eat lineup. Number 17. Etekcity Waterproof Rechargeable Food Kitchen Scale. Dial in recipes with gram-level precision and a bright, easy-read display. This rechargeable kitchen scale handles up to 22 pounds, tearing containers instantly and switching between grams, ounces, and pounds for baking, meal prep, and pour-over coffee. The water-resistant surface wipes clean after messy mixing, and the slim profile slides into any drawer. If you want consistent results and less guesswork, weighing ingredients beats scoops every time, saving money on mistakes and improving flavor. Number 16. COSORI Electric Gooseneck Kettle. Tea and coffee taste better at the right temperature. With 5 precise presets and a graceful gooseneck spout, this kettle nails green tea gentleness and pour-over control. Stainless steel interior, quick 1200-watt boil, and keep warm hold make mornings effortless. Auto shutoff adds peace of mind, and the balanced handle keeps pours steady. If you're chasing sweeter extractions and fewer bitter notes, this is the fast, reliable upgrade that elevates every mug without crowding your counter. Number 15. Fellow Stagg EKG Pro Electric Gooseneck Kettle. If you obsess over pour-over, this is the precision tool you want. The EKG Pro adds a crisp display, exact temp control, hold mode, and thoughtful extras like altitude and scheduling. The signature spout and counterbalanced handle deliver a slow, steady stream for even saturation and sweeter cups. It heats fast, stays stable, and looks premium on any counter. For coffee lovers who value control and repeatability, it's a long-term investment that pays off daily. Number 14. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Build a hot layered breakfast in about 5 minutes. English muffin, egg, cheese, and your favorite meat, without dirtying 3 pans. The non-stick plates cook the egg while warming the bread, then slide to stack everything perfectly. Removable parts go straight in the dishwasher, so cleanup's a breeze. It's a handy way to skip drive-through lines, save money, and still eat something satisfying before work or school. Fast, compact, and foolproof for busy mornings. Number 13. Ninja BN701. Professional Plus Blender, Crush Ice, Blitz Smoothies, and whip frozen drinks with serious power and auto IQ programs that handle timing and pulsing for you. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for family batches, while stacked blades create a strong vortex for consistent blends. Cleanup is straightforward with dishwasher-safe parts. If you want bar-quality frozen treats and velvety sauces without babysitting the blender, this delivers speed, volume, and reliability. Great for parties, meal prep, and everyday smoothies. Number 12. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. Pull cafe-style espresso at home with an integrated conical burr grinder, dose control, and 15-bar pump for rich crema. The steam wand textures milk for lattes and cappuccinos, and the hot water outlet handles Americanos or tea. Clear gauges and tactile control shorten the learning curve, so you get repeatable shots without daily cafe spend. If you love espresso drinks, this machine consolidates grinder and brewer, saves counter space, and pays for itself over time. Number 11. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Breville's Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a countertop powerhouse that bakes, roasts, air fries, dehydrates, and more with precise proportional integral derivative temperature control. Super convection delivers crisp, even browning on sheet pan dinners and batches of fries, while a generous interior fits multiple rack positions. The intuitive interface and presets shorten learning curves. It's perfect when you want oven-quality results without heating the whole kitchen. An excellent choice for small apartments, holiday sides, or daily meal prep. Number 10. Zulay Kitchen Original Milk Frother. If you love cafe-style drinks at home, this handheld frother gives you rich, velvety foam in seconds. Just dip, press, and swirl. No bulky machine, no learning curve. It's great for lattes, cappuccinos, hot cocoa, or even whisking matcha and protein shakes. The lightweight build and stand keep it ready on the counter, and cleanup is as simple as a quick rinse. It's a small, affordable upgrade that makes everyday coffee feel special and saves money on cafe runs. Number 9. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. This simple tool splits pits and slices avocados without the mess or risk of slipping knives. The grippy handle stays steady, the pitter removes the seed with a twist, and the fan blade makes even slices for toast, salads, and sushi. It's compact, quick to clean, and safer than freestyling with a chef's knife. If you eat avocados weekly, this gadget streamlines prep, reduces waste, and gives you prettier, more consistent results every time. Number 8. KitchenAid 3.5 Cup Food Chopper. Perfect for small kitchens and everyday prep, this mini chopper handles onions, herbs, nuts, and vinaigrettes in seconds. The 2-speed and pulse control give you chunky salsa or fine mince, while the drizzle basin helps emulsify creamy dressings and mayo. The work bowl, blade, and lid are dishwasher safe, and the compact footprint tucks away easily. If you want faster weeknights without hauling out a full-size processor, this little workhorse saves time and cuts down on cleanup. Number 7. Cuisinart TOA60 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This multitasker toasts, bakes, broils, and air fries in one countertop box. Convection heat delivers crispy fries and wings with less oil, while the roomy interior handles sheet pan dinners and 12-inch pizzas. Manual dials make it intuitive, and the included basket and tray simplify switching modes. It's ideal for apartments, dorms, or anyone who wants oven results without heating the whole kitchen. A reliable everyday cooker that replaces multiple gadgets and speeds up dinner from start to finish. Number 6. SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker. Make fresh sparkling water in seconds and cut down on cans and plastic. Snap-lock bottle insertion, quick carbonation, and compact styling keep it easy and tidy on the counter. Customize fizz levels for seltzer, mocktails, or spritzers, and flavor to taste without extra sugar. It's a money saver for bubble lovers and a greener choice for daily hydration. If you're trying to drink more water or entertain without heavy bottles, this is an effortless upgrade. Number 5. Brita Ultramax Large Water Dispenser. If you want cold filtered water on tap, the Ultramax lives in the fridge with a generous 27-cup capacity. The spigot makes refills and meal prep easy, while the filter reduces chlorine taste and odor for cleaner flavor. The slim footprint saves shelf space compared to rows of bottles, cutting plastic waste and weekly store trips. It's ideal for families, roommates, or anyone who drinks a lot of water at home and wants better taste without the cost. Number 4. ThermoPro TP19H Waterproof Digital Meat Thermometer. Flip it open, probe the center, and get a quick, accurate temperature read so meats land juicy instead of dry. The bright, rotating display is easy to see at any angle, and the waterproof body wipes clean after grill sessions. A built-in magnet keeps it handy on the fridge or smoker. Whether you're searing steaks, roasting chicken, or deep frying, this tool removes guesswork and boosts confidence. It's a small investment that dramatically improves dinner results. Number 3. Kitchen IQ Edge Grip 2-Stage Knife Sharpener. Dull knives slow you down and increase slips. This pocket-sized sharpener fixes that in seconds with coarse carbide to set the edge and fine ceramic to polish. The edge grip design lets you safely use it on a counter or the corner of a table for longer blades. Non-slip feet keep it steady, and it's compact enough to stash in a drawer. Sharper knives mean faster, cleaner cuts and safer prep, an instant kitchen upgrade for very little money. Number 2. Simple Human 9-ounce Rechargeable Sensor Soap Dispenser. Hands-free dispensing keeps sinks cleaner and reduces cross-contamination while you cook. The precise pump gives consistent amounts for soapy hands or dish sponges, and the rechargeable battery means no wasteful disposables. It looks sleek on the counter and helps make washing a reflex, which is great when handling raw meat or eggs. A tidy, hygienic upgrade that turns everyday cleanup into a smoother, faster routine, ideal for busy kitchens and families. Number 1. Dash Safe Slice Mandolin Slicer. If slicing makes you nervous, this mandolin hides the blades and feeds produce from the top, keeping fingers away. Dial your thickness. Choose julienne or dice and crank out uniform cuts for salads, fries, and stir-fries in minutes. Suction feet keep it stable, and everything collapses for easy storage with quick rinse cleanup. It's the fastest way to get restaurant-quality slices without the risk, turning tedious knife work into safe, repeatable results for weekly meal prep. That's our list. If you found a gadget you love, hit like and tell me in the comments which one you're grabbing next or what I should test for part 2. Subscribe for more time-saving kitchen finds and deal updates. Every product has a video on its Amazon page. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. See you in the next one.